Welcome to the course presentation on the most robust, high-performance JavaScript animation library on the planet. The possibilities of the GreenSock animation platform are truly endless. Any numeric property of any object can be animated, as well as colors, filters, non-numeric values, and much more. The range of capabilities will amaze you. And this is a unique chance to realize your ideas that your imagination gives rise to in a practice. It all comes with incredible speed, reliability, compatibility, lightness, and expandability. So, here you are going to explore the main core of the GSAP library, as well as get acquainted with the built-in core plugins. The material in this course is clearly structured and is offered sequentially, from simple topics to more complex ones. Lessons begin with theoretical information and end with practical examples that reinforce new knowledge. At the beginning you will find basic concepts. In the middle of the course there is provided information about the purpose, syntax and features of the main methods and properties of the GSAP library. At the end of the course there will be material about plugins built into the core. You can start this exciting journey into the incredible world of web animation right now. Sign up for this course and let's get started!